the ultimate guide to making your Wi-Fi faster and connections more secure. What exactly is Wi-Fi? A wireless or Wi-Fi network uses a radio frequency signal instead of wires to connect your devices, such as computers, printers, and smartphones, to the internet and each other. Unstable Wi-Fi is often caused by wireless congestion. Congestion problems are common in apartment complexes or densely packed neighborhoods, when too many people using Wi-Fi lead to overlapping networks, mixed signals, and degraded Wi-Fi performance. The Wi-Fi in our home or office is not always as fast as we would like. We have to find solutions to make it work better. These solutions are easy and fast. 1. Adjust the Wi-Fi settings on your device. 2. Change channels of your router. 3. Put the router in a central position so that it is easy to connect. 4. Explore other networks nearby. 5. Clear out any interference from other devices or networks.